Hello everyone, it's Krisha again, and for today's video I consider that since the orientation day is super soon, and I absolutely can't wait to see all the freshers. And I know that a lot of people who join Delhi University are usually students from outside, people who do not reside in Delhi. So I thought that I should make a little video about what you should expect when you come to Delhi, because I know shifting to another state can be very hectic and it can be confusing, overwhelming, exciting, and very fun. So this is a video about things that you should expect when you come to Delhi for the first time, or for college or something like that. So just a few experiences that I've had and tips that I'd give you. So let's get into the video. Alright, so the very first thing in Delhi University, or when you come to Delhi, is where do you live? A lot of my friends travel. I live in a PG. Now, the thing is that the biggest concern of parents as well is that where would you live? Now, this is something that I face too. What happens is during DUK admission wala time and the admission cycle, and after it is done, when you go to Delhi and you explore around the campus, a lot of people will come to you literally on the streets पे आपको जगह जगह पे लोग बुलाएंगे and they will tell you, oh, are you looking for a PG, is your daughter or son in Delhi University, are you looking for a place to stay, and all of that, and then they will guide you towards their PG, and then they will make you see it and explore and a lot of that things. But the main thing is that it is also liable to a lot of scams. This happened with me as well back when I was exploring the South Delhi area, and my parents were also there with me looking for PGs. A lot of people came up to my mom and dad saying, Ki, are you looking for a PG? Is your daughter in LSR? Come to our PG and we'll show you around. But the thing is, it was very difficult to explore an entire area, because as you know, the area around your college is very big. It's not like it's limited to just one place. So what happens is you have to explore a lot and still you don't get good deals. There will be a lot of scams. People will tell you some price or tell you some electricity deposit or something, and you may not get that back, and the cost might not be to your liking, the facilities, the location, the distance, and a lot of those things. Now, one thing that I really wish was there during my time is a feature, or something that I could explore with for all my PG, so that I get all my options in one place. But it was not there during my time, or it may have been, I might not have known about it. But there is something for you guys, so you guys should not make your PG hunting difficult. Make your PG hunting easier. So DuBuddy has launched a new feature about student housing accommodations. They have a page known as Ding. I will give the link in the description box. Now, all your problems about the PG, as to the location, the cost, they have a list of PGs who state their costs, and so that you don't have to have confusion about, oh, ये पहले इन्होंने इतना बोला था और अब इतना नहीं बोला है. So you guys can do that. Location is also there. Videos about how the rooms look. So without coming to Delhi, you can book your PG nicely with all the details, owner details, no scam involved or anything else. So I'm gonna give the link in the description box down below, because I really wish something like this happened during my time, because it was very frustrating to look for PGs in Delhi considering the weather as well. So yeah, check them out. Alright, another thing about Delhi is back when my college started, the thing is, your college is starting very early. The thing is, our college started very late. Our college started at by the end of August, 29 August or something. So it was very rainy, it was humid, it was hot. I remember the first day I was literally about to faint during the orientation, because it was so suffocating. The weather was so bad. Like, it rained so much, but still there was no relief from the heat. So make sure when you come to Delhi and the orientation, you keep water bottle in your bag, you keep something to eat, because you will genuinely feel nauseous. The weather is kind of crazy. It's raining right now also, so make sure you do that. Keep probably a portable mini fan or something like that with you, because it can get very suffocating. So that is another thing that you should know about Delhi. Now, the next thing that you should know about Delhi is the environment, the people, how to make friends. This is more of like general college advice. I remember the first day I came to LSR, I was very sad, because I was like, I'm really not enjoying here. My first week, I was just talking to a lot of people, and then I never saw those people again. Or even if we talked, we never really became that good of friends and all of that. And in my mind, I was just like, man, I'm really not enjoying here. But trust me, all of this is very common during the first week. You won't be alone. A lot of people will be feeling this way, so don't give up hope. It will be fine. By the third week you'd have a cool group of people, or not even a group of people. You'd feel like you'd belong. Sometimes it can take 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. Trust me, there are people who are still adjusting. I am also adjusting, so don't worry about all those things, and you'll be good to go for college. Another thing about Delhi is that a lot of people travel from metros because people think it is safer, and a lot of concerns are there regarding whether Delhi is safe or not. And parents are also very skeptical about how to send their kids to Delhi because it's very dangerous. Very valid concerns, I get it. But the thing is, your daily life will be as normal as anyone else going to a college in a different state. There is, of course, skepticism about where I'm going, or is something happening, or something like that. But rest assured, your normal life will be easy breezy, and you will be traveling from metro. So make sure you make a metro card with your friends. I also made a metro card back when I came to college. And yeah, that is all that you need to know about Delhi. The biggest thing is the weather, because genuinely, once the weather is sorted, I think your mood will also be sorted about going to a college. So PGs, weather, friends, and all of that. Delhi is very welcoming. It is a very good place. You will have a lot of good places to eat. So make sure you explore the food joints. A lot of good cafes, good street foods. So make sure you try all of them out. And yeah, that's all for today's video. All the best. I'm sharing the link in the description box down below. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video, and I will see you around campus if you guys will come to LSR. So bye bye, subscribe, like, comment. Bye bye.